going to make cocoa butter soap. So in this container we have the lye water solution, which is water and sodium hydroxide. Well, this one contains the oils, which are palm oil, coconut oil, castor oil, and the melted cocoa butter. First thing is we just have to stir the oil solution and make sure oils will be combined. Okay, and then after mixing the oils, make sure your lye water solution is also mixed. And then we're going to pour the lye water solution. Make sure you're wearing gloves and eye goggles. Then let's use a whisker to make the stirring easier and faster.
Like some of the powder spilled on the floor.
Then we're going to separate this into two different containers because we'll be making two colors, white and brown. By the way, this is a 1,500 gram batch, so just divide it into two. We'll have 750 grams each. Then now we're going to add the color. Let's add the brown first. Just make sure you're using an oil. Just make sure you're using an oil soluble brown dye. I'm using just a quarter teaspoon. For the mica powder or the oil soluble dye, there's no exact measurement because it depends on you. If you want it to be more brown, add more. If you want it to be less brown, add less. If you don't want it to be brown, then add this color. That's totally fine. Then we're going to start. And then for the other container, since we want it white, we're going to put titanium dioxide. Stir. To make sure these powders are properly and completely mixed, we're going to use a stick blender. So this is a stick blender. See it, this container, the soap batter instantly turned to white very quickly. Now we'll use it for the brown. Then let's get our soap mold. mixing some of white to this brown. Because the fragrance oil that I use makes the soap solidify very fast. Let's use a stirrer. Just going to put some cut brown melt and pour soap on top for design. So after 48 hours, this is what it looks like. Now we're just going to remove this from the wood and this silicone mold so we can slice it up.